Hello folks, and welcome to another Adventures of Scott Michelle. Today's adventure takes you to
a hike to see the Trickling Falls waterfall in the Great Smoky Mountain National Park.
So join us on another one of our adventures as we take you to see another beautiful waterfall.
How you get here is by going up US 441 into the National Park, also known as Newfound Gap Road. You park at the Chimney Tops Trailhead, and we, I believe, we'll be taking this to the Chimney Tops Trail to the Road Prong Trail, which is 9/10 of a mile. Looks like it'll be mostly downhill.
Yep. Now we've never been on this trail before, but
Very first time for us.
we are bringing our hiking sticks along just in case and just to be safe. And what's really neat about our hiking sticks, they have like this little bell on there. So in case you see a bear, you know, it makes like noise. So that's a plus. We haven't seen any bears yet on this trip, but hopefully we might see some. Oh wow, folks, look at that view. Is that beautiful? Now it is starting to rain. Wow, this is beautiful, folks. We haven't even reached the falls yet and came across another one. Wow, just look at that view. Now we've never been to this falls. It's like been our first time coming up here, and we saw like 3 waterfalls in the park, and this one makes it the 4th. Wow, this is just beautiful. I just can't get over these views. And there was quite the elevation to get up here, but it was well worth it. Beautiful, beautiful view and scenery. I just love it.
Hello folks, we made a Trickling Falls. It was, by what they said, about 700-foot increase in elevation. And it's a nice waterfall. It's only about 1.2 miles in from the Chimney Falls, or I meant Chimney Tops Trailhead. Beautiful waterfall.
Now we are going to hike up to see another waterfall. So we have some more incline. Oh great, just what I love. Incline.
The one we're going to try to follow is this Road Prong Trail. Appalachian Trail says 2.4 miles per hour. Could go that far though, because there's about another waterfall. I think about another mile down. And then the other one is the Chimney Tops overlook. You go straight up you see the chimney tops. This way is also Newfound Gap Road.
But we're gonna see another waterfall.
Yeah.
So there is
The actual Trickling Falls
the
waterfall.
actual Trickling Falls waterfall. It is like pouring. You could hardly
Monsoon.
see in front of you. It's like a monsoon. So
It's about an extra half mile and more in elevation from what we thought was the waterfall.
yeah, so yeah, it is just coming down like buckets out here. So
And the hike is dangerous, especially when
Yeah.
it's raining.
and there's a lot of rocks too.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, to get to the other waterfall, this is what we had to climb up, walk up, and past this was all just a bunch of rocks and stones all the way through. So since it was pouring and raining, we didn't want to go any further. So we are walking down now. And it seems like the rain has just subsided a little, so it's not as bad. But yeah, we are walking down now. So we're not too sure if the falls back there was Trickling Falls. We're not too 100% sure. We were thinking it was because there's like no signage on the one that we saw beforehand. So if you happen to know, leave a comment down below and let us know. We would.
Yeah, so the waterfall that's right by where the Chimney Falls trail splits off. It's not named, but I've seen that pictured as Trickling Falls. But on like the Google map, it shows that the Trickling Falls is about a half mile up mountain.
Yeah.
Let's just say the one here by the bridge is more picturesque, more beautiful.
Oh yeah, it was well worth it.
It's not really worth going all the way back there, especially on a rainy day.
Yeah, if it's not raining and it's dry,
Dry,
then, yeah, maybe.
dry,
but
nice cool day. That'd be a good day. No mud.
right,
It'd be a great time to hike then.
yeah. But we were the only ones up doing this hike. Everyone else was doing the other one.
Yeah, everyone else going up to the top of the chimney tops.
Yeah. This is so much better than whatever was up there. I'm pretty sure this is Trickling Falls.
Doesn't show it on the map as good as Trickling Falls, but in person, this is better than what we hiked to up there.
Yeah,
It's so scenic.
it is really nice and beautiful.
All steps going down to, this is what we call the second bridge from the parking lot.
But man, just look at that view, folks. That is really something to see. Well, folks, that's going to conclude it here of the falls. So, what did you think, hon?
It was a nice hike. When you're by the bridge, right before the chimney tops trail that goes up the mountain, it's like the fourth bridge in from the parking lot. That's the best waterfall, even though it's not named, but it certainly does look like the Trickling Falls waterfall. But Google's telling you it's another half-mile down this Red Prong Trail. The Red Prong Trail was difficult.
Yeah, it was a lot of rocks.
A lot of rocks.
And it started pouring to
Like
where
crazy.
You couldn't see in front of you.
Monsoon.
Yeah. And then all of a sudden, when we were on our way back down, we decided to, call it quits and go back down. It started thundering. So we made the wise choice by going back down. But the only thing we didn't do was the Chimney Tops Trail. I heard it was beautiful and gorgeous, but we wanted to try to see another waterfall.
Right.
Big mistake. Well, folks, that's going to conclude it for our vlog here of the waterfall. So as always, if you like this vlog, give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget the subscribe button down below so you don't miss any more coming adventures of Scott and Michelle. And we really want to appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe out there, folks. We love you, and we'll see you in our next adventure.
Nice.